Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So today's class we'll be looking at exponential equations, some questions some people find difficult to tackle. So I carefully selected them and we'll be treating them today. Also in our last class we talked about exponential equations and how to apply the rules of exponential equation that leads to the laws of indices. So we'll also apply them here. So please feel free to pause the video and try the questions on your own. That's how you learn. So the first question says, find x if 1 over 4 of 16 raised to power minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 64. Find the value of x. So let's attempt the first questions. The first question says, find x. So remember, 1 over 4 from board mass, 1 over 4 of means in bracket. So here we have 1 over 4 in bracket 16 raised power minus 2x plus 1 equals to 64. So off in board mass means everything is enclosed in what? In the bracket. So solving further, we have to make this 1 over 4 simplify it as a form of indices, like 2 raised to power minus 2 is equals to 1 over 4, because it is 1 over 2 raised to power 2, which is 1 over 4. So in bracket, we have 16, convert 16 to 2 raised to power. So it will be 2 raised to power 4. 16 is 2 raised to power 4, remember. In bracket, minus 2x plus 1. This is equals to what? 64. So remember, 64 also can also be converted to 2 raised to power 6. So solving further, we have 2 raised to power minus 2. You can also put, removing the bracket, this is still the same thing as times multiplication. So you have 2 raised to power 4 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 2 raised to power what? 6 is 64. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32, 32 times 2 gives you what? 64. So let's applying the first law of indices, which is the multiplication law. Let's apply the first law of indices here. When the base are what? Equal, what do? You make the base to be 1. Then you what? Sum up the what? Index. So we are going to sum up the index here. Here we have 4 in bracket minus 2x plus 1. Then plus, since is once you have according to the first law of indices, the multiplication law say that once you are seeing a multiplication sign, you do what? You add the what? Indices. So we adding plus minus 2 equals to 2 raised by what? 6. Now, from the laws of exponential say that if the base are equal, you equate what? The index, equate their indices. So this base is equal, 2 is here, 2 is here. So you can cancel out these 2 and equate what the index. So we have what? 4 minus 2x plus 1 plus minus 2 is what? Minus 2. So you have what? Minus 2 here equal to 6. So 4 times minus 2x gives you what? Minus what? 8x. 4 times plus 1 gives you what? Plus what? 4. Then you put your minus 2 equal to what? 6. So minus 8x 4 minus 2 gives you what? Plus 2 is equal to what? 6. So remember from our last class, I always say that if a positive or a negative sign is crossing the equality sign going to the other side of the equation, it will change sign. Like we have plus 2 here. Collecting like terms, taking plus 2 to this other side of the equation would change sign. As it's crossing this equality sign, it's changing sign to what? Negative. So we are left with minus 8x. Minus 8x is equal to 6 minus 2. So we have 8 minus 8x is equal to 4. So now we can divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 8. So if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, we have minus 8x over 8 over minus 8 is equal to 4 over minus 8. So now minus 8 can cancel at minus 8, and 4 cancel itself 1, 4 cancel minus 8 gives you what? Minus 2. So our value for x is what? Is equal to what? Minus what? 1 over 2. This is our answer for this question. This is our answer. The value for x is minus 1 over 2. Now let's quickly attempt the second questions that say if 8 raised to the power x over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 over 8, also in bracket 4 raised to the power 3 over 4. Find the value of what? X. We are meant to solve for x here. So now solving for x. So now changing this 8, we have 2 raised to the power what? 3. Because 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3 gives you what? 8. So we have 3 in bracket x over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 over 8. Remember, these things, it means multiplication. As the two brackets are like this, it means everything here multiplied by what is here. So we can still put times, change it to times. 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. Don't forget 3 over 4. So now, if we apply the first law of indices, the multiplication law here, we arrive at this 3 over 8 plus 3 over 4. So here still remain 2 whole number. 2 raised to the power 3 over 8 over 2. So solving this further, we apply the law of exponential equations that say when the two bases are equal, equate what? Their indices. We can cancel this basis and equate their indices, which is what? 3x over 2 is equal to 3 over 8 plus 2, 3 over 4. Now, still solving this. Remember, these 3 all in bracket x times s over 2 is still the same thing as 3 times x over 2. And I always tell you that in every number there's what? Invisible what? Over 1. This is equal to 3 over 8 plus, still the same thing applies here, 2 times 3 over 4. And I say in every number there was invisible over 1. So now we can multiply 3 times x give you what? 3x. 1 times 2 gives you 2. So you have what? 3x over 2 is equal to 3 over 8 plus 2 times 3 gives you what? 6. 1 times 4 gives you 4. You have what? 6 over what? 4. So now solving this further, we can multiply through by what? 2. To eliminate this 2, we can multiply through by, if we multiply through by 2, we have 3x over 2 times 2 equal to 3 over 8 multiplied by 2 plus 6 over 4 multiplied by what? 2. You want to eliminate this 2. So now 2 can cancel itself. 2 cancel itself 1, 2 cancel 8 gives you what? 4. 2 cancel itself 1, 2 cancel 4 gives you what? 2. So you are left with what? 3x is equal to 3 over 4 plus 6 over 2. 3 over 4 plus 6 over 2. Now, if we use the way of solving fraction to add this together, we have 3x is equal to, we take the LCM of 4 and 2, which is 4. 4 go to 4, give you what? 1. 1 times 3 gives you what? 3. Plus 2 goes to 4 gives you what? 2. 2 times 6 gives you what? 12. This is equal to 15 over 4. So 3x is equals to 15 over what? 4. Now, how to solve this? We divide through by x. If we divide through by x, we have 3x over 3 equal to 15 over 4 divided by 3. And I always tell them every number there will be visible what? Over 1. So 3 can cancel what? 3. 4, this is equal to, you have x is equal to 15 over 4. And I always tell you that to remove this division sign, I want us to flip this number, flip it. So if we introduce multiplication sign, change this division to multiplication, the 1 will come on the top, while 3 will go beneath, which is 1 over 3. So now 3 can cancel 7, 3 can cancel 15 to give you what? 5. So now x is equal to 5 over 4. That means, or therefore, x is equal to, if you change it to mixed fraction, 1 whole number 1 over 4. So this is our answer. So guys, please like, subscribe, and also share. In our next class, we'll still talk on some difficult exponential equation. We are going to treat it in our next class. Please like and share. Thank you.